Hi, my name is Shari and I'm one of your PEMF specialists at Naturally Unbridled Wellness. And today I'm not going to talk to you about PEMF, but I'm going to talk to you about one of our other therapies we use here at the office often, and that is our cold laser, or also known as non-thermal laser. So we have an Zirconia brand laser. It's an EVRL, which means it has both red and violet light. And I'm going to just show you this real quick here on my skin. You can see both of those lights there. The red's a little bit brighter than the purple one, but that's what it looks like. It doesn't hurt at all. But this little thing is a lot of great things we can help support your system with. So how it works is it harnesses the light and concentrates it down to the laser component. And every light wavelength does something. There are some that are healthy for you, like these, and there are other wavelengths that aren't so healthy for you, like microwaves, right? But we can harness the power of this therapy with this tool. So the red light is very good for pain management. It is an anti-inflammatory and it helps cellular regeneration, which can speed up healing. And what's fascinating about the red light very specifically is it works in your it works on the area of the issue. It also works systemically in your system, very similarly to how NSAIDs, those over-the-counter pain management pills, work in your body without the harmful side effects that those NSAIDs have. So I love that about this. We see a lot of great success with pain management with the red light. Now, the violet light is antiviral, anti-microbial, antibacterial in your system. So it's great for your immune system. It's also really great for acne and skin conditions. So we love this little thing. So the next time you're in the office, you've got any of those issues, give it a try. You can add a session of laser on for just $15 if you're doing another therapy in the office. Thanks for watching.